Hey, hi friends. Welcome back. We will see words start with A with phonic sound with four words and images. This is part 2 because in part 1 we see what A sounds like A. Now we will see here what A sounds like. Welcome to PK's learning. Now let's see the words. A says A. Aeroplane. A says AAX. A says AAM. And A says AA April month. So in last video we learned A sounds A, and in this video we can see A sounds A. It is the beginning letter of each word, so underline it to recognize easily by kids. And always teach them with the phonic sound, means A April, AAM, so they can easily read in future. A says A, we have learned. So list the three words with the beginning sound A. Parents can help them in this activity. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video with the new sounds.